Hi, I'm Katie from Shop Wild Things. We are thrilled to introduce our new Boxwood roll-up walls. They make filling up a space, a backdrop, very, very easy and very fast. You don't have to snap things together, just a couple of staples will do it. Okay, we are really thrilled to offer two different styles of this roll-up boxwood. We have a fire-rated FRB, it's NFP 701 style. That's the one that I'm taking out of the box here. And this one comes with a certificate that a lot of your fire marshals will need. So we can provide that pre or post purchase to you. These are really easy to work with. You just, if my fingers work, there we go. You can just untie these. I'll kick this box out of the way and show you. Untie the 3 ties, and you're covering a lot of space very, very quickly. All of these wrinkles here will work out as you hang it up. It only takes a couple of minutes, but look at how much coverage there is. You can't see me through this wall, which is great. This one roll will cover 33.33 square feet, I believe, of space. They're 10 feet long and 40 inches wide. So a lot of our panels on our website are 40 by 40. So this is a lot more than that. And so it makes your installation very, very fast. Again, the coverage is phenomenal. We carry some other boxwood walls and even some FRB boxwood walls that don't have the coverage that this one has. This has a ton of foliage on it. So, and I'll show you the back. It has all these panels here that are already snapped together, and putting this on a wall or any other space is great. We've also seen these used as carpets, which is awesome. You would just, roll it out and you can cover the floor space. You can cut it with scissors, so you could make, a base around a tree. If you're building some kind of woodland or a pond looking area, you could just cut them with scissors. This grid cuts with scissors very, very quickly. To hang these on the wall, all you need are a couple of staples here and there. You're going to move some of the boxwood leaves out of the way, find part of the grid, and add your staple. It's pretty easy. These are fairly lightweight, so you don't need to, put 100 staples in the 10 foot by 40 inch piece, but just here and there, so that when you're taking it apart, you're not fighting with too many staples. You just want it to be secure. These will flatten out nicely and easily. Something else that I wanted to point out is that we were careful with the color that we chose for these roll-up walls. Some of them that we've seen on the market are either too solid green, like one color of green, or a weird kind of bright green. This is a two-tone piece, so it's really natural looking and gorgeous. Again, I keep saying it, but it's just got so much coverage. It's kind of amazing. We do have it on a green wall here, but I'm going to show you in a minute what it looks like if I slide a white wall behind it. It'll still give you a big amount of coverage. And also, it doesn't matter if you get the more expensive one, which is FRB, which is the one that comes with the certificates to keep your fire marshals happy if you need that for a commercial installation, or if you get the one with just the FRC, which is also fire rated, but it doesn't have a certificate that will work with your fire marshals. So I'm gonna slide a piece of white fabric back here, a whiteboard, so that you can see how much coverage it has. Here is that whiteboard. You can see that we put this on a green board just because this is what we have for some of our other demonstrations, but I'm gonna slide this whiteboard behind here to show you how much coverage there is. You really can't tell that there's a whiteboard back there very easily. You have to really look. So you'll get a ton of coverage with this roll-up wall. These roll-up walls would be great for a hotel, a restaurant, for any kind of retail space, for a trade show booth, anywhere that you need some color that's simple, that's fire rated, and easy to put up. You don't want to spend all day assembling these. You could also use these in your home. You could trim, we've had customers trim them around the fireplace. We've had them put them in kitchens, just all kinds of cool installations. Just cut it with scissors to fit around things. We've seen the coolest designs. We've seen people make stripes on the walls and all kinds of gorgeous designs. And we can't wait to see what you do. I hope that you'll get a hold of our team. You can call us at 928-855-6075, or you can shop right on the website. We have a lot of places where you can write to us and ask all kinds of questions, but our team is awesome. They love to help you. They love to answer questions, so don't hesitate to reach out.